Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can colorize your black and white video for free using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit this website, Colorize website. You just need to search for this website on the internet and you can visit it. And then here you can upload your video, your black and white video. And I'm going to choose this one and tap on open, and we just need to wait for a moment until the video has been uploaded. Okay, you can monitor the progress here. Alright, and now the video has been uploaded, and then I'm going to process a full video. We have 3 credits here, but we need to continue with Google. And to make the process faster, I'm just going to get the preview. Okay, wait, let me continue with my Google. Okay, I have successfully logged into this website. Okay, and then I'm going to click on process. Okay guys, and again we need to wait until 100%. Okay, it's done, and I'm going to download the video. Now the video is being downloaded, and then I'm going to open it. Okay, this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to colorize black and white video for free using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.